We have also added into our pocket operation the option of wall and floor finish only. If I were to use this option, what will happen is that it'll do a finish pass on the floor only up until the wall offset, and then do a finish pass on the wall according to the down step that I put in my levels over here. If we take a look at our simulation on the part, you'll see the following. It'll first do the floor as I've mentioned, and then when it gets to the wall, it'll go down according to the down step that I put in every 5 millimeters up until it finishes the wall itself. So it will do a wall and floor finish only on this particular pocket.